Right, so linear relationships, two places that you're going to determine whether you have a linear relationship or not, and one is a table. So in a table, you are looking for a constant rate of change. In other words, a constant, unchanging slope. So if you're given a list of points, and I'll just do a simple set here, 2, 4, 6, and let's do 4 and 10 here. It's not, it has to do with the ones we looked at were at the beginning, we're looking at the pattern remaining as a constant addition or subtraction pattern. Um, but it's a little bit more complicated than that, just a tiny bit, because your pattern could skip terms. So if you look at kind of the terms we have here, we have 0, 1, 2, we skip 3, and we go straight to 4. As long as the ratio here of these patterns, so the ratio being that rate of change, the change in the y over the change in the x, as long as that stays the same between all of your sets of points, then that would be a linear relationship. So 2 over 1 is the same as 2 over 1 is the same as 4 over 2. All of these equal to 2, so this is linear. How do you know if an equation shows a linear relationship? Our definition was that you could write the equation. You have the ability to write the equation in this format, ax plus ax plus by equals c. You could write it in this form, and that these values for not a, b, and c, that a and b both can't be 0. In other words, you need to at least have x or at least have y in your equation, or potentially both of them. Things that you can look out for that would be nonlinear, that would not be linear, would be if your variable is in a root, if it's to a power other than 1, um, variable is in the denominator, or your variables are being multiplied with another variable. So all of those are things to be on the lookout for. Also, I mean, I guess we could go a little further. You could absolute value, cube roots, and things like that. But basically, if anything, if any operation is happening to your variable, extra operation, other than just being multiplied or added or subtracted by a number.